Hello, welcome to my new studio. We're all set up ready for action here. I just want to do a follow-up video to the painting that I did yesterday with a group from all corners of the world of my cat Daisy, who I'm sure some of you know sadly died a few days ago. This is the painting that we did and really enjoyed doing this picture. It's Daisy, you know, with a head tilting on, lying on the ground, as she used to do, with waiting for the old belly rub, as it were. And it was such a special thing to share this with you from all corners of the world. I want to really say a big thank you to everyone that took part in the workshop yesterday. It was very special, very emotional and moving for not only me but all the family. And looking at your paintings on Facebook, do make sure you have a look on Matthew Palmer Artist Facebook page. You'll see them. You'll see the pictures that people have done. They are wonderful. They've captured Daisy's spirit, and Daisy is going to be with us and alive forever through these beautiful watercolour pictures. I've just been sat doing a few little finishing touches, and that's what I want to just quickly mention to you, because I've been looking at this picture. It's been sat on my wall at home on the shelf there, looking and thinking there's probably a few little fiddly little tweaks that I feel that we could possibly do. So just to show you those, I've basically added more grass. That's the main thing I've done. I've added just more grasses. You can see I put some quite dark grasses in this corner down here, which is quite nice. So I've kind of made things just that little bit darker around the back of the head here, just simply using the likes of natural grey with a size 6 brush. Just grabbed a bit of darkness and just basically just added a few little extra dark shadows here and there, which I feel has actually made quite a difference. And as I'm sat here now looking at this picture of Daisy, who was 21, well, she was nearly 21, which is like over 100, crazy when you think about it. Looking at it, I can see Daisy on this sheet of watercolour paper. And again, one last time, a big thank you to everyone that took part in this watercolour workshop. Hope you've enjoyed it. And just, you know, if you want to do any extra little refinements, I thought I'd share those with you. I've used some natural grey under here. I've used some natural green, dark or natural green watercolour paint around these grasses. I've added a few more grasses, a few little spots and dots on the tops of the grasses here and there as well. And that to me has finished off the watercolour, and this is going to have pride of place on my wall at home. Thank you so much for taking part. It was a special one. I'll see you soon for the next virtual watercolour workshop, and bye for now.